Hello, dear friends. We were discussing on the day, the dread departure by Satish Alikar. Actually, this play is a very nice play and criticism on Indian culture and tradition. It is written in a Marathi first, and then it is translated into English. The name of the dread departure in Marathi is Mahanirvan, which has been considered as one of the most distinguished plays, a reputed milestone in the history of Indian theatre. Right from the first show of the play in 1974 till today, with about 400 shows, Mahanirvan is widely accepted by Marathi audience. It is considered to be one of the most finest pieces of artistic craftsmanship. The theme content of this play is so apt and relevant to socio-cultural aspects that it has been translated and performed in more than 10 languages across the country. Means the Dread Departure is translated into more than 10 regional languages in India. Mahanirvan is also one of the prescribed texts in the university curriculum for literature courses, as it is in Shivaji University, Kolhapur, entitled The Dread Departure. But in Marathi, in various universities, Mahanirvan, the drama, is prescribed for the syllabus of literature. Besides its extraordinary different writing style, it is highly revered for its treatment on stage. The entire play is performed in a lyrical musical form using Maharashtrian folklore like kirtan, gondhal, bhajan, abhang. These four are different types of songs or folklores. Lyrical, you can sing kirtan. It is a praise of the god. Gondhal, Gondhal is an invitation of God on a particular occasion. Bhajan is also the praising of God, and Abhang is the same. Abhang is written basically by the saints, which is sung by various singers later on. With its unique features of canny humor and black comedy, as you know, black comedy is the comedy based on war, death, such kinds of things. That is called black comedy. Here in this drama, the death is there, death of Baura. The play aptly highlights the intricacies of human relations and emotional ethos, while passing subtle messages on socio-cultural system, typical human tendencies, customs and traditions, etc. So there are various kinds of emotional upheavals in the drama, which shows or which focuses on human tendencies, human relationships, emotional bondages with each other, and the socio-cultural system of the particular society, and the customs and traditions of the society. So this play strongly criticizes the customs, traditions, behaviors, emotional relations of the people in the society. This drama was widely acceptable or accepted by various critics, and there are various editorials on a particular drama at that time by Lokasatta and other reputed newspapers. The editorial was published in English newspapers also. There are various newspapers criticized this drama positively. So, this drama is not only the presentation of the then traditional and um, cultural ethos, but it is the presentation of human bondages, human relationships, and human behavior in a particular situation very effectively. In short, this play focuses on the overall traditional and religious ceremonies after the death of a particular person. What exactly the performances and the rituals organized after the death of a person, what are the effects of the death of a person on his or her own family, what are the implications of the death on the society, what are the reflection of social things of the people in the society on a particular death, and the ceremony organized at that time. So all these things are critically presented by Satish Alekar, as he belongs to Brahmin family and highly educational background. His style and his way of expressing all these things very nice. You should read out all the dramas he has written. But as the matter of syllabus or the aspect of syllabus, you must read in detail this The Dread Departure. The book is also available in the market. There are only 2 acts, and you will require only 2 to 3 hours to read out all this drama. If there is a time we will go line by line through the drama, so we will be able to understand each and everything properly and minutely. In my next video we will see the play synopsis, that is act number first and act number second. What is there in act number first and what is there in act number second, we are going to discuss in detail in my next video. Till then, thank you.